Hi, I am Nakul and you are watching How About Tech. This video was requested by one of the subscribers and today we will talk about top 5 printer options which are suitable for basic home as well as office needs. Before we start the video, please subscribe to my channel and also leave a like on the video as it will motivate me to bring more such video for you and it will help me grow. You can also comment down below if you have any suggestion related to any topic and I will make sure to make a video on that topic. So let's begin. The first printer on our list is Canon's Pixma all-in-one inkjet printer. It is a very compact printer which can be used to print, scan and copy documents. It is ideal for both home and office usage with requirements of around 100 prints per month. It uses inkjet technology to print high quality documents and images, as well as the text is also very crisp and clear. It has an amazing speed of 8 prints per minute in the black and white mode and 4 prints per minute in the colored mode. The cost of printing is Rs 5.3 for black and white mode and Rs 7.8 in the colored mode. It is a very good printer. It is connected via USB 2.0 cable with your computer. It comes with 1 year of brand warranty. It costs only around Rs 2900 and is a very good printer option in this price category. The next printer on our list is from HP. It is HP's DeskJet all-in-one inkjet color printer. It is also a very compact printer with functionalities of printing, scanning and copying documents. It can be set up very easily and very quickly via the HP's smart application. It connects with your computer via USB cable and supports USB 2.0. It is also an inkjet printer and provides very high quality documents. It has a printing speed of 7.5 pages per minute in the black and white mode and 5.5 pages per minute in the colored mode. And the cost of printing is Rs 6 for black and white mode and Rs 8 for the colored mode. It comes with separate trays for input and output of paper. It is a very good printer and it is pretty similar with the Canon's Pixma printer, but it has a slightly higher price point of Rs 3300. The HP's DeskJet printer is a very good printer option in the budget category. However, if you are interested in a wireless printer, you can opt for HP's DeskJet 2723 printer. It is a wireless printer and basically it has all the same specification as that of HP's DeskJet 2331 printer, but in addition to all those features, you can use this printer to print your documents wirelessly with the help of Wi-Fi, which makes all the process of printing super convenient and less cluttery. You can also print your documents with very simple basic commands with the help of Alexa and Google Home devices. It will cost you a little bit higher than the DeskJet 2331 option, but it is worth it with its wireless mode. It is priced around Rs 5000. We have talked about some great printer options for basic home and office needs, but if you are looking for a more advanced and a more efficient printer, you can check out Canon's E4270 multifunctional all-in-one inkjet printer. It is a very great printer which can be used for both home and office needs with a requirement of around 100 to 300 prints per month. It has many advanced features. You can use this printer for printing, scanning, copying and faxing documents. It has many advanced features such as automatic document feeder, document removal reminder, and it also supports auto duplex printing functionality. It has a printing speed of 8.8 pages per minute for black and white mode and 4.4 pages per minute in the colored mode. And the biggest advantage of this printer is its very low cost of printing. It has a very low cost of just Rs 1.3 for black and white mode and rupees 3.5 for colored mode. You can connect this printer with the help of USB cable with your computer. It supports USB 2.0, or you can connect this printer via Wi-Fi and use this printer in the wireless mode. It is a very good printer. It is very advanced and efficient, and it comes with a very attractive price point of rupees 8,000. You can also connect this printer with Pixma Cloud Link, and you can print your document stored on various cloud services all over the internet. This printer also comes with a brand warranty of 1 year. So the Canon's E4270 is a very great printer, but it comes with a slightly higher price point. And if you are looking for an advanced printer but with a slightly lower price point, you can check out HP's DeskJet 4123 printer. It is also a multifunctional printer which can be used to print, scan, copy and fax documents with the help of your mobile. It is a very great printer and can be used both at home and offices with a requirement of 100 to 150 prints per month. This printer can be connected with your computer with the help of USB cable and supports USB 2.0, and it can also be connected via dual band Wi-Fi and can be used in wireless mode. You can also print your documents by giving simple commands with the help of Alexa and Google Home devices. It has a printing speed of 8.5 pages per minute in the black and white mode and 5.5 pages per minute in the colored mode. However, this printer comes with a slightly higher cost of printing, with a cost of printing of 6 rupees in the black and white mode and cost of printing of rupees 8 in the colored mode. It comes with an equipped LCD screen and many advanced features such as automatic document feeder. You can set up this printer very easily with HP's smart application. It is a very advanced and a great printer with a very nice price point of 6,200 rupees. It comes with a brand warranty of 1 year and is a very good printer option. We have talked about some great printer options which can be used by a variety of people. If you are a student who has to make projects frequently for school and colleges, you can use these printers. Or if you are an interior designer who has to print images or blueprints, these printers can be used by you. Or if you have basic home and office needs, you can consider buying one of those printers. I will link all the printers in the description below and you can check them out from there. Please subscribe to my channel for more tech videos and follow me on my social media handles for latest tech updates. I will meet you very soon with another tech video. Until then, take care and goodbye.